Good morning, fifth graders. Welcome to week 2, day 1 of our phonics work. Today, just like our past Mondays, will be work with our high frequency words. Okay, we're working on becoming better spellers and better readers. All right, so this pattern you're very familiar with. Okay, we're going to say the word, spell the word. You can say it in your head. I'm also noticing students are writing the letter as they say it and then checking themselves. You'll read the words, write them, and then practice writing them in a sentence. And our words of focus today are find, first, 5, fly, for, and found. All right. Connect with your teacher if you have any questions.